Hello everyone, this is Ibtino. Today I'm back with another video. In this video, so far I showed this all section able how you can make this section by using PageFly. Today I'm going to show you that how you can add this section, and yeah, okay. I think this will not too much hard to do that, and I am also show that this section and this three section I will cover in the next video. So let's do that first. And in this video, and okay, here we will do that. Okay, let's take an element like put it here. Let's do that. So here you can see there is a three bundle product. So in that case, what we need to do? So first we will design one, then we will duplicate the design, and I think it will not take too much time. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, fine. Now I made it three column. Let's put it here. Okay. So in that here we need to use an image. Okay, I think this one will be look like that. And so this image should be 41 or like that 60. And here you can see the background is, if we are talking about that, the background should be white and with a radius of 10. Okay, and this image should be here. What you want, you can use it here, and it should be top corner. How we can do that? In for that we need to use this. Okay, now we need to put our image, and this image should be for this one, like for one product. Okay, and we can also make this like 100 if you want, but I think it's too much. It is perfect. Okay, and we need to use that. So yes, I think we need to make it 35. And it looks so much good. Fine, and I need to do another thing that I will need to do a little bit like 10 pixel. Should be here. Now we need to, it shouldn't be like much more, 20 is more than 20. Okay, now what we need to do, and we need to do a set. So before that we need to check out 26. and 30. So it will be 26, and it should be poppins. Make it poppins. So it's much better. And this one should be like 30. So copy it, and it should be 30. And color, and the color should not like that, should be different color. So put it here, and I think for now we use this one. Okay, here you can see the gap between these two are very much high. We need to reduce that. Okay, I think now it's done. Now we need to add our original price and this. So I think for those things we need to use a dynamic option. Okay, so I think for now I'm using your product. uh, I don't know what I'm using. Go there, Shopify element, and here you can see product details. From there you just put it here, and title is not necessary, this one also not necessary, this one and this one, this one, and I think this one also not necessary. So it should be middle, and 16, and there's a poppets. Okay, so here you can see you can add two section if it possible, but it's not possible. So in that case we need to take a block, put it here. Now put it in the blog section, and here you need to add a paragraph, and before this, why just go back, then why is need to take a paragraph like here. See, here's a block column, a row, that. So that we need to use this. Okay, here's the paragraph, and this paragraph says that original price, and the color is little bit different. Okay, so go to color and original price, and it should be in the right side alignment. Okay, here we will need to add our dynamic. I will prefer dynamic. Oh, sorry, and it should be like that. So this one are dynamic. Okay, now what we need to do, that we need to add our original price. here and click price. So this is our original price. I think below this. For now, I'm adding it here, and this row should be below. Oh, sorry. This paragraph should be below this row. So there is a little bit problem, and I think I will cover it. So don't worry about that. Let's add a filter and we'll put it here. Okay, then make it panel middle, and this row is not now necessary, and it should be like 33. Go style and go font family and make it 33 and bold. So it's not, it should be bold, not italic. Fine, it looks really good. And here I need to add to cart button and save. I think save tag item. Fine, we need to add to cart button. Okay, so basically I need to add to cart button in that case. Then the product price. So this is product details. So make sure that your product price also in between your product details. Product details. Let me make little bit space so that I can put anything easily. Okay. Now it's under our product details. After doing all this, then we can reduce the padding. Don't worry about that. Before that, I would like to add to cart button. So here click and click here add to cart button. Just put it here and just copy this. It's not too much. Okay, this looks very nice and make it a little bit pretty. And here is the button. You can also add it a normal button, or you can also add it, and it should be middle, and the color should be like that. I think I'm talking about the background color. So here put it. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to put in a button. Okay, and it should be 10. It should be like saved. Okay. In that case, I think if you want to add that, you can add that. So basically, it comes from your shop dynamically, but as you are using PageFly, we cannot do that. But we can use it for like a static. When you add that in your page, you need to remember that you are adding how much save in your shop. Okay, so I would like to make it okay. Now I am using this, so don't worry about that. Later on I can change it. Okay, fine. So here is a lot of I think I'll make this five. Now it looks really good, not bad, and all are okay. And here you can see a little drop shadow. Okay, we can also add that. Click here, and this is the box shadow. And I also made another video how you can add drop shadow in PageFly. You can also follow this video. Okay, let's see. Click this column and go below CSS, and here you can add this. And this is really easy task. Okay, fine. So if you want to like make it much more similar, you can do that. But I don't want to waste time by doing this stuff because you already know how to do all this thing. You can do that by yourself. I'm not doing that. Okay, I'm giving it as a one. The color is I think is okay, and the row I'd like to let me do that for laptop. I think the image shouldn't work perfectly. So before coming here, I would like to know how much I used for these images. I think width, it is okay for that. And other things, if I'm talking about that, this one, let me check how it looks like that. I think it's not bad and it's okay. And here is, I think, a little bit problem with that. And here you can use 0, I think 0 and 0. Okay, fine. And in this, sorry, I'm extremely sorry for that. So here in a row, you can also remove this 30 default space. Fine. And the image you are using, it should be much more. So I'm not giving you a suggestion to use that, but as it is in demo, we will use it in another way. You can do that. But for now, I am keeping it as it is. Okay, let's click save and let's go for template. And we also need to check this demo page how it looks like in the template version also. So we put in that, just cross it here and go for template. So it's showing all these three, so don't worry about that, and go our row and it should say 3 column in this one. Okay, fine. Okay. Click here, column, row, and the section. So and here you should come and make it like smaller. It should also be smaller, and here we shouldn't use this space and make this like little bit smaller. Okay, I don't know, it's not. I think here's some much more space. So it looks pretty nice. Let's go for mobile view, and also here how it looks like in the mobile view. Okay, so I think this is not too much tough to make it like responsive for mobile. Okay, I think this is really a good. Go there and make it two. And here you just need to reduce the size of the content, and here also. And go row, just this default 30. Fine, I think I love this design. Okay, I think you also love this design very much, and I think it will be helpful if you share this or if you give a feedback by regarding this. So don't worry about that. This 30%. Okay, I'm showing you how you can remove this remove PG. There is an website is totally free. You can remove any kind of thing from your sh- image, and I think it works really perfectly. 99% images are doing really well. Okay, so for now I am showing you that how you can do that. So our mobile version design also, which looks nice, and just you need to here keep that. So all the things are in the product details, so it will work dynamically. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, and let's go for this one. I think we should not need to um, go raw and go general and make the duplicate. Oh, I'm really sorry. I'm following the wrong one and make delete this three. Wow, it looks really good. Now we need to change those images. So in that case, what you can do? You should uh, upload three products. Okay, one product for one set, another product for two set, another product for the last set. Then it will work dynamically, and the prices and all other things also want to look like that. And here you can also upload the image that I already removed background. And okay, so I'm just using it as a demo website, so I'm not going to do all this thing. You can do that by yourself. Okay, so here just I need to change some specification, three sets and two sets. So it should be three sets and it should be two sets. Okay, so here we need to write down three. Here we need to write down two. I think it should be six shades. Sorry, six, six. Wow, I think it's now okay. Style, and here is five. Can here use five. You can also here use five. Now click here, save and publish. So here is a button like paste fill, the most popular. So you can also add that, and just click here button. It's really, I think it's easy, and it should be before teachers. Okay, fine. I think this button. color should be middle, and the background color should be like that, and paste value, and it should be 40, and background color should be like that, and it should be 40, and border radius should be 10, and I think not 30. Okay. And it should be copies and best value. Okay, let's and width should be width divided should be 60%, and I think for now it should be 50% enough, and we need to add another one, just most popular, and background shouldn't be like that, it should be this one. Okay, content should be most popular, and most and more and here you can see some space should be. So okay, copy, paste. So here it is in the middle. Fine, don't worry about that. I think we can also keep it as a middle. And again, I can remove this. I think yeah, we should need to remove this. Fine, save. Okay, click here. Then you'll find this that which shouldn't have this background. Select. Okay, I think now it's what's really good, and now we'll show what's it in the mobile version, how it looks like. I think it's pretty much okay with that. I don't need to worry about that. I don't need to worry about that. One page, should be 20. Okay, now what we need to add? We need to add this title and this three, so that that is not too much hard. Let's go add a title and Yeah, you can add another layout and then click here, click heading, click here and make it like that, and just copy this and paste it here and make it true, and just copy and paste. See, it's really simple that you can do that by your own. Okay, just okay. Now you need to copy the background color. See, it's really works. Okay, we need too much space. Now we need a row like that, and a row. So we need to take a row. Okay, so here is the row, and from this row you should follow that there is an image. So for now I am taking one image, and let's go to the place here, copy link. I'm also showing you how you can download those images from the demo website and save here, and just need to close this. So here will be our image, and click image and put it here and upload the image. Let's okay. Okay, okay, now this looks very good. Now we need to add this. Let's copy this header file. So now take a header and go style. It should be 5. And from the row, we need to make it centered. And from the padding, we should make it like that. And another important thing that this row should be white. Okay, and here we need to add a variable. I don't know why they are using a uh, big size of the font. Maybe we are using our one. Okay, So I think it looks really good, and you never know how much good it looks like. Okay, now I need to take content from here and from the column. And here another. Okay. Okay. Let's save and publish, and let's watch how it looks like that. So here's some small issue. I think we will solve that later on. At the end of this video, let's go for the mobile view, how it looks like the mobile. I think those section are okay, and let me need to check that section how it looks like. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's not go for mobile. So text, image. So what we can use that one also, image, then text, then image, then it should be text. Okay, let me give enter. So here this image it should be okay, and just it should be duplicate. Don't show the mobile. Sorry, I think here is the, it will not show, and this one it will not show. I think I made this one. So give it here. So this new one will not show in other device, and this one will not show in mobile device. Wow, it looks pretty much great. Okay, let me check how it looks like that. I think now it looks much more clean. Tab. I think we are done with our video. And so here is a little issue with this background. So I think at the end of this video, in the video playlist, I'll show you all that we are facing some problem. It should be small. So I think this section almost done. I think now it's okay for us, and I showed you how you can create a section like that. So, and let me check it in the mobile device. I think, yeah, it's look pretty much better. Okay, so thank you all, thank you, and see you in the next video.